Dr. Sonal Mansingh does not really need any introduction, but then I would say that God Almighty has blessed her with a magnetic personality, with a divine aura around her face, rhythm in her body, magic in her dancing steps, profound intellect, and graceful looks. He is a member of Rajya Sabha and is India's Sherpa to G7 and G20. Just as I said, Dr. Manjul is of Sonali fame. So Dr. Bisht is of Dhola Vida fame. I am extremely grateful to late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who gave me the first guidance that he said, in India, history is either leftist or rightist. If somebody writes the history purely scientifically, based on scientific evidence, it can probably unite our country and create some kind of shared pride in our heritage. That was my motivation. That was my motivation. And like a missionary, passionately I went into the subject, how to do it. After losing everything in the game of dice, when an eclipse was seen, that was 3153 BC. You could see eclipse from Hastinapur. And then 14 years later, around the war, you could see all those sequences of lunar eclipse followed by a solar eclipse, and just before the solar eclipse came the real sky view, given in not one or two but 7 verses of Mahabharata. All the positions as narrated by sage Vyas to Dhritarashtra, that if the war happens, it's going to be totally disastrous. These are the sky configurations, he said. So then that sky view determined the dates of Mahabharata. When we could see all those positions of 7 planets vis-a-vis 16 nakshatras in the sky on a particular date, that is planetarium showing it on 14 September 3139 BC and stellarium because of the calendar difference showing it 26 days later on 10th October 3139 BC, then we knew we are correct. Because this sky view is not repeated, I again challenge, on any date 25,920 years before 3139 BC and 25,920 years after 3139 BC. And then once we determined this, everything kept on falling in line. And on the 19th February morning, which we have believed, you can see Kaliyara conjunction, that is all the 7 planets around the starting point. Aries is the starting point of constellations. And I found, then identified that these are the kingdoms, and most of the names are currently also same. Gandhar, they all are the same. And then we did the GPS plotting of all the so-called Harappan sites. This is the map. And these are the kingdoms below. And we have given the kingdom and in the bracket the archaeological sites. This map is included in the book. I will say, like Kuru. Kuru kingdom had Rakhigadi, Kunal, Balwani, Sanoli. You had Gandhar, Takshila, Pushkala, very famous sites. Like, so archaeology, what did archaeology do? Most of the early and mature Harappan sites which we read in history, they are actually Mahabharata sites. And they are located in Mahabharata kingdoms.
विराट हस्ती डॉक्टर सोनल मानसिंह को निमंत्रित करती हूँ कि 2 शब्द कहें।
तो ये बात तो निश्चित है कि जब भगवती आपसे कुछ कराना चाहती हैं तो स्वतः ही सारी चीज़ें, all the circumstances happen. वो भाग्यशाली व्यक्तियों में से हैं जिनको प्रेरणा दी गई और उन्होंने उन दैवी संकेतों को समझा, उठा लिया और उस पर आगे काम करना शुरू
पद्म श्री
when proto-urban process has taken root in India and elsewhere too, and it was progressing very fast.
तो मैं बुलाना चाह रही हूँ डॉक्टर सुरेश प्रभु जी को, ऑनरेबल।
एक बहुत बड़ा काम उन्होंने किया ये कि जो हमें मालूम है उसके बारे में उन्होंने इरेफ्यूटेबल एविडेंस प्रोड्यूस किया कि ऐसा कोई भी अभी इसके बाद में मुझे नहीं लगता है कोई विज्ञान खड़े होकर कह सकते, विद्वान कोई खड़े होकर कह सकते कि ये इसमें ये गलत है। क्योंकि कुछ लोग एस्ट्रोनॉमी की वजह से कहेंगे नहीं होता है तो गलत बात है, कुछ लोग आर्कियोलॉजी की तरफ से कहेंगे गलत बात है, लेकिन फैक्ट्स डोंट लाई। फैक्ट्स if produced in a very clinching evidence form, no one can question them. This is what is a singular contribution of Dr. Saroj Bala in producing something from multidisciplinary perspective, which we knew, but we didn't have the ability to produce evidence. We had a faith, but we didn't have the so-called science available to us to produce something like this. So, on behalf of billion plus devotees of Bhagwan Ram and Bhagwan Sri Krishna, I want to thank you for doing something like this. His invaluable service, great contribution, paying tribute to the reality and factuality of India's treasure of ancient civilizational history.
Namaskar and thanks to Saroj ji for reminding me the launch of this book. कितनी बार खुद को मजबूर होते देखा है और कितनी ही बार उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा बार अपने आप को मजबूत होते देखा है खुद को धीरे धीरे गिरते हुए संभल कर खड़े होते हुए भी बहुत बार देखा है।
जो भारत का ज्ञान है उसके लिए बिल्कुल उत्पीड़ित है, दे आर थर्स्टी फॉर व्हाट वी हैव, बिकॉज मैं भारत का ज्ञान का एक अंश ही मेरे गुरुजी ने जो मुझे समझाया है, श्री रविशंकर जी ने, उसका एक अंश ही उनको देता हूँ। मैं वहाँ प्रिजन सिस्टम में भी जाके पढ़ाता हूँ और उनकी 3 दिन में उनका पूरा जीवन बदल जाता है।
फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि तब डिस्कवरीज ज़्यादा मेंशन्ड है, अब इन्वेंशन ज़्यादा है। तब उनको ये पता था कि धरती सूर्य के चारों तरफ घूमती है, चंद्रमा अपने पिता माता समान धरती के चारों तरफ घूमता है। ऋग्वेद के 10th मंडल के का 159 श्लोक का मंत्र है। 20 साल मंजुल साहब को एक गिफ्ट